Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tax Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to track your current orders made on TEMU. So you've just placed an order and you want to see where it is at and when it's going to be delivered. Now the first step, of course, is opening up your browser, and from there head down to temu.com. So simply open up TEMU, the official website. Now from there sign in to your account where you've just made the order, and from there go to the orders and account. Now inside the orders and account we're going to the last made order. You can see right here. Now mine has already been delivered, but what you want to do is you want to hover over this option and go to the track mode. Now inside the track you can see that it has been delivered to my address. Now here you see the delivery, 4 to 9 business days, and you can even contact the service if you can't find your order. Now from there you see all the things happening, and you can even see what you've ordered. Now you can also go into the details of the tracking number. So few details on DHL parcel if you have placed an order with DHL, for example, or UPS. And from there you can contact the DHL parcel as well. Now it's easy as that, and if you still get questions, leave them in the comments down below. If this content has helped you, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.